It's Jah Blaast, putting the ghetto people them first, not last. Them having life hard, politicians is the cause.
No joke thing me dep on a serious talk me a talk about. Me dep on a political talk. Me a talk about the country Jamaica.
In Jamaica me no like where you gone. The government them not perform.
Mr. Andrew Wellness, I ask the one question and I need you to answer me.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless everyone, greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Good morning, give thanks to life, and life is the greatest thing, so make sure you protect and cherish it. Zed?
Life is the greatest gift, protect and cherish it, my brethren and my sister, because today you there, tomorrow you gone.
Yeah, man, I don't know Lionfoot. But I see the major advice. Say it's a peace, love and respect, manners and respect to the world. Anybody who tune in right now, brand new Monday morning, you know what I mean? Roll up a love and blessing. We say give thanks to life another day. And I wish and pray for you all to have a productive day today. Whatever you do, your aspiration. All I do them look 9 to 5, cleaning job. You know what I mean? Sweep the road, sell bag juice, wipe car glass. Anything you want to do for achieve food and bread and for provide for the kids, on honest living and honest earning. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man, I don't know the man of peace, you know. Never left it, you know. Yeah, man, I saw them coming on the street, man of peace, Lionfoot. I am Eric, you see me? Yeah, man, I don't know the merch, you see it? Run a river fish now, perch. Yo, big up the fisherman, my father was a fisherman. My uncle, them a fisherman. You know, rest in peace, Leon, rest in peace, Joseph. All guard nights, you see me? Joseph, yeah, man. Real bad man, I see my uncle, you know. But yeah, rest in peace, I don't know. Barry Dread, my uncle, next living uncle living, you know, all of my uncle are a fisherman, father a fisherman. So maybe if my daddy never dead, maybe my life would have been much better, maybe, you know, education wise, you know, I finished school properly and maybe I be a fisherman, you never know, because you know, kids follow what they see them dads do, you know what I mean? So, fathers be there for your child and do the right thing. You see what I say? Yeah, I don't know a Lionfoot, and in this vlog, I don't know my viewers and subscribers, it's a positive one, you know what I mean? More to listen and tell me what you think in the comment section. You see me, we have Chappa Star, I speak his mind about and give his opinion about the prison system. You see me? We also have the fabulous Wippa Demus, great Wippa Demus, my brother, you see me? Yeah, I speak out, address Andrew Wellness about the new laws, the vehicle traffic laws and them thing there. And rules and laws are made to set, you know, but sometimes some of the rules them don't make no sense. You see me? And sometimes you're an educated fool, yeah, so you're going to go on my viewers and subscribers, so you don't know the routine, you know. We are forward.
I watch them on the German represent for Lionfoot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lionfoot Patriots out there.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, Jamil. That's what I say. Yeah, man, the Patriot, real warrior. I say it. Yes, sir. Don't forget to like and share the content. If you feel like doing so, think twice before you make that choice. Because I know Lionfoot no big friend, no big people around here. You see me? Yes, man, and Lionfoot is open to criticism also, you see me? So, big up on yourself, and Lionfoot is not a biased youth. I just speak my mind, and not saying I'm perfect, but I do try, you know? I never tell a lie. Then, what my viewers and subscribers, yeah. First, we kick it off, you know, with the prison system, then, and then we make on here Wippa Demus, I say. So, here try Chappa Star, I say.
The voice must know so I try Chappa Star, but today I don't know joke thing me dep on. A serious talk me a talk about. Me dep on a political talk. Me a talk about the country Jamaica, cause right now it look like so the thing gone to the dirt. People who look on this breaking news. Look how much new jail man them build up at Jamaica. I mean I see so much new university bill. Me no see no new school a bill. Me no see no new road a bill. Why in the living hell them man a build so much jail? People no see so them people are sell way out, right? When you realize that the Jamaica government is a government where no really care nothing about the youths them, right? What about rehabilitation center? What about youth development center? What about place where teach youth them to have self-discipline and how to respect them one another? Eh? When you not teach youth them nothing, all them do about politics war, and when the politics war start, them put the gun them in the youth them and then what the youth them do? The youth them retaliate against them one day, and then after that them have bear revenge. So them know how them are going to full up them jail. Let me tell you something, people. You see the jail are like hotel, you hear me? And them hired by the state. The state have a contract with them to full them up. It's like hotel, brother. A shelter is a stay over. And you stay as long as the state want you to stay. So let me tell you something, it's a military state, they man turn the thing in. And you can go on and play and think a joke. But me tell you something, sooner or later, you see Andrew Wallace try lock down 1 day, Andrew lock down 2 days, I want to do nothing 3 days till you have to lock down every day in the house. Well, me I tell you so what money yeah because the lockdown you go forward back again. But this a lockdown will be on different type of lockdown. You're going to hear about a thing named indefinite detention.
Jano started. So the prison look like America prison them. And if you never know, the prison system is like a money making thing, you know. Yes man, the prison system is like a money making thing. That's why the youth them in Jamaica, you have to think. If you follow, you're gonna get left. See like where Roddy Harris say, stop follow me up, stop follow me now. Yeah, badness no pay. Zine? Badness no pay. Yes. I mean I sang Rafa will soon name my story. You see me? I share my when I nearly get caught up in a badness and I got a jail and them thing there, you know. Yeah. Big up the real bad, big up Wakaman and Busha Yang, you know. Them man they nearly draw me out in a badness. You see me teach me badness. But any idea I did I try follow that I try emulate and they around them. I know if you're there around them, you're likely to get in all in. So an elder did see me and say, I know for me that football is my thing, and from there, so my mind change, I switch. The said man, when Garnet still dead, yeah man, I said man in there, see me? But anyway, yeah, the prison system is a money making thing if you never know. I see the prison them are built up in Jamaica right now. Rightly so, because crime rate is rising. Crime rate is rising and the prison them full up. See, so if the youth them do the crime, they have to go prepare for do the time, you see me? They do the crime, you be prepared to do the time, my viewers and subscribers. Sorry to say, badness not pay, but you live by the gun, you shall die by it, you see me? Yes, man. Whatever you do, be prepared for your repercussions, your karma. You see me? So Chappa Star share him views, so I agree with him. But me tell you, say, 2018, I flew to America. Me just release, me and Askel producer release a song, Air Jordan. You see me? Jordan man a beat right now. Boom boom do the intro and everything and
Jordan man a beat right now. Just taking the grip on my feet right now. The whole world want to see it right now. Them a tell me say my style complete right now.
Me go America try look some promotion on it. I go Foot Locker. Zine. Them say them like the song but them can't do nothing with it. I have to reach out to the LLC company for Jordan, you know what I mean? And them give me an email and thing, and them say, yo, link them man, it's a nice song, and I still say, book number there, man. So I'm going to buy some hat and thing, you know? And I do some look at one quick shopping before I fly again. And the people will tell me, say, yo, nobody likes Jordan, man. Nobody no like Jordan in New York. You see me? I say, why? Them said, man, I build up, be a prison. See, man say, man invest in thing in a be a prison, no build up, no facilities like the way you hear Chappa Star say, no rehabilitation or no things we can uplift the youth them and keep them away from crime. The man invest in a be a prison. You see me? And sign deal with the Illuminati them. You see me, the Freemason them and be a prison, the man I build Jordan. The man say Jordan build be a prison and be a black people in it. Be a black youth. You see me? So that's just my experience. That's why I bring it out to you. I make you know say, yo, what Chappa Star say makes sense. But at the end of the day, if the youth them can't behave themselves and stay away from crime, they have to just be prepared for going and eat the ground, you know. Or go do no time, you know. And I see say Andrew Wallace, him not play with you know. Rich I get rich and the poor I get poor and man the business with you know. Man I work, the man done show who for side him depend. And the devil, see me? Devil side him depend. And the money side for reap. You see me?
We nah vote again. Too much generally in a parliament. We nah vote again. Pan politicians are your dash the judgment.
Yes man, so let me know what you think my viewers and subscribers about that. So moving on now, my brethren, I don't know, Wippa Demus, Zine, make a solidified speech, speak and he address the Prime Minister, asking some questions. So I'm going to hear what I go on and you can let me know what you think in the comment section. Say it? Alright. Yeah, man.
This is the fabulous Wippa Demus. Really, really serious. And I need to adjust the situation right now. See? Because something happening in my place in Jamaica where we're born. Where we need to adjust. Mr. Andrew Wallace, I want to ask you one question and I need you to answer me. Because you're on social media and you follow all social media. So I know you're going to hear and you're going to see this one. If you don't hear somebody, you're going to hear it, I mean, you know. You mentioned, say, the public taxi them to have car seat for babies. Listen this now. You know that not right. And you know that too. If you want the public taxi them to have car seat, the public JUTC buses, the government bus them, to have babies car seat in it, same way for the babies them. This is a question I'm going to ask you. Suppose 4 baby mother, if you got children with them kids, and the 4 of them in one place, one taxi come. You want to tell me, say, the pitney them are got dead, because they can't go to hospital one time, because no car cannot have 4 car seats in it one time. Because if you put 4 car seats in it, where the mothers them gonna sit to take their kids to the hospital? Now, I want you to be real and realistic to life. Life is more important than some of the laws them that you're making in Jamaica right now. Now, when a man have a taxi and him go put car seat in there for the baby them, where the mother's gonna sit? Number one, if a car seat want to be in a car for babies, it's going to cost the fare like what a big people have to pay to go move around. And some of these mother, single mother, don't achieve more than $9,000 or $10,000 a week for their pay. So listen this now. Say they're going downtown and they have to carry their kids. It's going to cost $300 to go for 1 mother and 1 kid, and 3 to come back, that is $600. And suppose they have more than 1 kid to travel with, and they have to take the kid with them. Oh, we're gonna go work. Listen, stop pressuring the poorer class in this country. Listen, I agree when a private vehicle having a car seat, because this mother or this father cannot attend to the kid while they're driving, so they have to put them in a car seat. But when a mother have her kid sit in her hand, all her, so in the kid in the lap, all in her hand, and the taxi driver driving, don't you think that is right and good enough with safety for the kid than to put a car seat in? So how on earth these taximen gonna achieve to feed their family, brother, and to pay a year tax that you need to do you, because it's not helping us? Now, Andrew, you need to get a hold of yourself. You need to think positive, like a positive leader. Because all these laws that you're building up right now is incorrect. It's not correct. I was telling you. And believe me upon that. How on earth it gonna happen? 4 people can hold in a car that the way you set it. And these 4 people have 4 kids to travel with. So 4 car seat half it in the car, you know. How you set it now? So where the mother's gonna sit? Check what me I say, man. Do you put in car seat in the public buses them, the government buses them? Or you gonna put it inside there, bro? So all bus gonna have car seat for the children? Let me know. Answer me this question. And the people, I want to put it in a comment. And if I'm wrong, let me know I'm wrong. Positivity me I deal with. Upliftment. You know what I mean there? Me there in a nature. I'm talking with nature around me. Seeing? Blessed love my family. And blessed love my country. And Andrew, answer this question. Blessed love, you're ready. If you want to be ready.
In Jamaica, me no like where you going. The government's them not profile.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So let me know what you think of Wippa Demus. I say, the questions them that Wippa Demus asks make sense, because if you have a taxi, if you have car seat, the space not gonna there for your next person who are trying to go to work, a next commuter who are trying to go to work, you know what I mean? Who are trying to have them appointment or whatever interview for your job, you know what I mean? If the car seat them are there, so taxi man are going to raise up them taxi price. You see me? So I don't think that rules make sense. So they have to go retract that one there and come back to the drawing board. And also the muffler, the bike them with the muffler. I agree, say them loud, yes, but you got to charge a man because them bike muffler loud. Yo, rules and laws are set to make and abide by, but sometimes rules and laws don't make sense. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. You know what I mean? It wicked from poor people out there. Wicked at Jamaica out there, man. And the minimum wage, and trust me. Wicked over here to England, but it look a bit better. And not tell a lie. That's why, if me get the opportunity right now to make it in a life, win the lotto or bust musically or so, I'm sure some people say lion foot are real youth. You know how much people me I make fly? I got enough place in the world already, enough country, a lot of countries. I mean, I love a youth. Now, if you be my family, you know, stranger, if you get the opportunity so them can come help for them family, that's some pre-life. I'm not pre-life for myself, you see me? But I don't know, once there's life, there's hope. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. I will if I love Lion Foot. Say, go shots.
Nah, vote again. Too much generally in a parliament. We nah vote again. Pan politicians, I dash the judgment. Get the youths, them nah vote again. Get the girls, them nah vote again. Me hear Mr. Massa tell our children, say she nah vote.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.